Hi my friend, Michaela Kennedy here. Today I have a confession to make. Full disclosure, I'm entering a contest. It's a marketing contest with one of my favorite seven-figure earners. Not only is this guy good, fantastic actually, an absolute expert, but he's also a personal friend. But I'll tell you more about that later. What I do want to tell you is how excited I am because this is the first time ever that I'm putting myself out there on the line with my own products. Before, sure, I've entered contests and I've made some pretty good money, but this time I'm laying it out there with my coaching, implementing all the things that this expert has taught me. And my goal is to show him that I've grasped and understood and able to implement what he teaches. And to prove that, one of the bonuses will be mentoring from me, absolutely free. I'm never going to offer this again. This is big. So, if you're interested, please sign up. Right here, I've got the opt-in sign. Sign up for the early notification. Put your name, your email in there, and hey, you know what? Is it over here? I'm not too sure where it is. I'm just out here enjoying this gorgeous day out at the Battery. You can see the ocean in back of me. It's gorgeous, my backyard here. Anyway, please sign up. Just sign up. I'm going to be putting out a lot of tips, a lot of secrets that I've already implemented and that are helping me in my business, that are making me really move fast and get on a fast track. And if that's what your business needs, I think you need to hear some of these tips too. Whether you buy or not, it doesn't matter. There are a lot of great tips that I'm going to be giving away during this pre-launch period that you can take and implement and run with your own business to help you take your business to the next level. So, sign up, get on that early notification list. I've got a free gift for you as well, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks so much.